What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw and color the lizard from Spider-Man. Let's begin in the center of our page at the top edge of the brow. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left side and draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to fold in the inside of the brow. Starting back on the left, curve in and then up. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's draw the top edge of the nose. From the bottom corners of the brow, we're going to curve this in and then down in the center. And then from the outside, curve this out and then down towards the side. Now we tuck the eyes in underneath the brow and the muzzle. Starting on the left, we'll step in, just curve this around, down, and then in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's add the nostrils along the side. On the left, curve in and then down, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the center of the muzzle, start with a point. Now from here, we're just going to curve this down, and then bend that up towards the left, aiming towards the eye, and then do the same thing on the right side. From the side of the muzzle, we're going to curve up and then out towards the cheeks. Round up the side and then just pull that in towards the side of the eye. Let's curve the side of the head going up and around the corner of the brow. So we're going to go up, round this out, and then pull that down on the inside. And now we're going to add some folds along the top of the head. Let's start over on the left, curve up, round this out, and then pull that down. And we'll close off the top of the head with a curve, going up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Now let's move down and draw the inside of the jaw. Starting underneath the cheek on the left, curve this in, and then bend that down. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go to the outside and round out the jaw. Starting underneath the cheek, go straight down, and then bend that in. And we'll follow this curve coming down towards the chin, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add some cartilage along the side of the mouth, curving out and then down. Let's go back to the center and draw two small teeth on either side, coming down and out, angling this back up and out. Now we're going to add two large curved fangs, going out and then down, and we'll taper that back up underneath. And we'll add two smaller fangs on the outside. Now let's add two large fangs along the bottom. Going up and in, come down and bend that in towards the bottom. Now we're going to tuck the tongue underneath the top row of teeth. Starting on the outside, curve down and over towards the right, go up and out, and it'll fill the outside of the mouth in black. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the coat. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left, curve the coat going out, and then down towards the bottom on the left, move over towards the right, and bend this in the opposite direction, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the coat, going out and then up towards the side. And then from the outside, we're just going to pull this up and in, aiming towards the head, leaving a gap along the top. Let's go to the center of the coat and draw a curve coming down and then up. Now you want to draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start from the left side of the chin, curve the arm coming down and then out. Line this up on the right. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb, going up, bending this down, round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. Let's add a claw on the tip of the thumb, curving down and in, and taper that back up. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers around either side. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again, going up underneath the claw, and we'll do that one more time. Now you want to drape the sleeve over the hand, starting from the top of the wrist, go straight down, and then bend that out. And then underneath the bottom finger, curve the hand coming down and up underneath the sleeve. Let's wrap that sleeve behind the hand, going out and up. From the bottom point of the sleeve, we're going to curve the arm coming in and up toward the side of the body. Let's move to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down from left to right. And then leaving a small gap in the center, we're going to start on the left, curve the leg going out and then down towards the heel, go over towards right, and then do the same thing. Now we're going to add 3 pointed toes on either side. Starting from the heel, start by going straight out and then bending that down, curve up toward the top, and then bend that in. Let's layer 2 more toes on either side. Stepping up from the tip, curve out and then down, go up and in. Now we'll do that one more time. I'm just going to pull the foot going up and in towards the top. Let's go back up to the top and round out the side of the leg. From the bottom corner of the coat, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Now we're going to tear up the bottom edge of the pant with a zigzag pattern. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up and then down, and then we'll just repeat this towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to swing the tail from underneath the body and out towards the left side. Let's start from the inside of the right leg, curve this down and out in behind the left leg. Continue on the outside, going out and then up. And we'll bend that back out towards the tip. Now the tail is going to get wider as we come back in. We'll go in, down, and then up underneath the leg. Now we're going to go back and add in the collar. Let's start on the left side, angle up and out on both sides, and we'll angle up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the inside, angle this down and out, and we'll stretch this all the way down towards the bottom with a straight line. And that's pretty much it. There's our drawing of the lizard. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's begin by filling the inside of the eyes with this bright yellow. And then the inside of the tongue with this red. And then the side cartilage with this light green. Now use this medium green to go across the entire head and body. Now work our way across the hands, going around that claw, and then down the legs towards the feet. And now the tail. Now use our darkest gray to fill the inside of the shirt. And then a medium purple for the pants. Then using a light gray, we're just going to cast a shadow across the bottom of the arms, and then from the head on the top of the body. I want to grab a dark green and cast some shadows across the head, starting with the eyes, and then the jaw, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color the lizard from Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.